Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone, and in today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make these delicious lemon lime parsley margarita popsicles. It's a mouthful, but so are these popsicles. Anyway, I'm making it with this delicious honeydew and jalapeno shrub, which is something that I tasted when I was judging the Sophia Awards. The Sophia Awards is one of the best things that I get to do when it comes to food. I get to judge like all these up and coming food makers out in New York every single year, and it's so much fun. But I want to share some of that with you. So hey, check out this quick little clip from Brittany, who works for the Specialty Food Association. She's the one that kind of organizes a lot of this stuff. She has a lot to say about it. Let me show you that. Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone, and I'm here at the Summer Fancy Food Show with Brittany Pichard. What's your official title at the SFA?
I am the Product Marketing Director at the SFA.
She really does everything. And we're here in front of the Sophie winners, this year's Sophie winners. And can you tell us a little about the Sophie program?
Yeah, so the Sophie program is set up by the Specialty Food Association to really show the best of the best in our industry. So buyers come and look for Sophie Award winners to really get on their shelves. We get great industry recognition for them. So we've had them in the New York Times, we've had them in the Oprah magazine, they've been on the Today Show. So once you win a Sophie, your product gets on the shelf and then it soars and you really see a ton of increased sales from it.
How many winners are there every year?
Sure, so this year we had 155 winners. We award them in gold, silver, bronze, and new product in 39 different categories.
Awesome, awesome. And right now I'm gonna make a great recipe using one of these products. So that's basically what the Sophia Awards and the Specialty Food Association comes down to. And this shrub is something that I really enjoyed, so I was excited to do a recipe for it. But let me show you it. Okay, so to make this popsicle, I'm gonna start off with a little bit of chopped up parsley here. Gonna add in some of our tequila, and then I'm just gonna muddle that around a little bit, just to get some of the flavors in. So you may be wondering why I have parsley in a popsicle, but I really love fresh herbs as a way to sort of blend those stronger flavors. And since I'm using this shrub, which has vinegar, and there's tequila in this popsicle, it's just a really nice way to round out the flavors. I think you really are gonna enjoy it. Gonna add in the remaining tequila, add in some Grand Marnier, and now I'm gonna add in our sugar. So when you're making popsicles, things that are frozen, if they're sweet, they need to be sweeter because when they're frozen, they actually end up not as sweet. And just mix all the sugar. Now I'm gonna add in the shrub. So my popsicle mold holds about 3 cups total of liquid. So that's what these measurements are around. So you might have to adjust yours based on what your popsicle mold holds. And let's add the remaining shrub. Okay, so now I'm gonna start building my popsicle molds. I'm just adding in some slices of lime. It's just a citrus margarita thing I kind of got going on here. It's probably no surprise, but I love fun margaritas, and that's the inspiration behind this popsicle. But if you haven't, you should check out some of my other margarita recipes. I have a Mexican bulldog, which is like this Corona flipped up inside a margarita. It's super tasty. I've also done this avocado margarita. I love all the weird fun flavors, but what I really want to know is what you like to drink. So leave me a comment and tell me some of your favorite margarita flavors. Maybe I'm gonna add in a twist of lemon. I just want these to be really visual. Another little twist of lemon in there. Might need a popsicle stick to kind of work it all down. So I like to put the popsicle stick in after a few hours of having the mold in the freezer. I do that because when it's just liquid, the stick kind of goes up and down and it doesn't quite stay where I want it to, but after it's had a little bit of a frozen layer, I can make sure that it stays in place. That's just something that I like to do. Now I'm gonna add in my popsicle mixture. I used parsley in this because I think it works really well with the shrub and the citrus flavors as a way to kind of combine everything. And I wanted to mix it up from using cilantro. Okay, now I'm gonna go put this in the freezer. So some people have trouble removing their popsicles from the popsicle mold. Here's what you do. Fill up your sink with lukewarm water. Then you want to take that popsicle mold and sort of dip it into the water, but be careful to not submerge it. You don't want the water to go over the top and touch the popsicles. You just want to submerge the mold part itself so it comes in contact with that water. Do not use hot water. You don't need that. Ice is like colder than lukewarm water, so that's all you really need to get those popsicles loose. Dip it in there, hold it in for 5 seconds, And then take the popsicle stick and give it a little shake. Don't overwork it because you don't want to break the popsicle stick from the popsicle, but just give it a little shake and try to pull it out. If you can't pull it out, that's what she said. If you can't pull it out, take it and put it back into the water for a few more seconds and just kind of keep doing that, rinse and repeat for 5 to 10 seconds until they start to come out. That's all it takes. Do not use hot water. Trust me, it's so much easier. And, yep, these are ready to enjoy. How fun is that? Okay, so there you go. Here's these delicious popsicles, margarita popsicles. They're made with that tasty element shrub, the honeydew and jalapeno. I think it's just a really fun margarita recipe. It's really, I mean, you could leave out the sugar and just drink it if you wanted to, but there's a quick little tip. When you're making boozy popsicles, the liquid, whatever liquid amount that you're using, no more than 20% of it can be alcohol. If it's like that, if it's more than 20%, they aren't gonna freeze. So you wanna make sure that that's really, really important. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up. If you love to cook, you should subscribe because you know what? I release new videos every single week. And if there's something that you wanna see, drop a comment below. See you guys next time.